Hello everyone, welcome here. If you want to earn $100 a day from writing, watch this video till end. Meet Abacus AI, one AI assistant with top language models, Access Gemini, Claude Opus, GPT-4o, and Claude Sonnet 3.5. 10x more powerful than Chat. Try free for a month. One. Claude Sonnet 3.5. You can use Sonnet 3.5 and search the web using Chat LLM. 2. Interact with large PDF. Need to tackle large documents? We've got you. Upload any PDF and talk about it. Analyze information and create visual charts. 3. Image analysis. Use GPT-4 or Gemini to analyze images and get detailed descriptions. 4. Select your AI model. Need quick replies? Choose Llama 3. For complete responses, go with GPT-4o. 5. Simplify SQL with AI. Enhance your SQL skills and save time. Use English to learn SQL and conduct searches. SQL searches made easy, just like buying a coffee. 6. Develop your AI agents. Use English to create AI agents with Chat LLM teams. 7. Convert video to text. For cost-effective transcription, use Chat LLM teams. Save money and maintain high quality. 8. Create scalable AI systems. Chat LLM teams easily build powerful applied AI systems for large-scale use. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe us for more videos. See you in next video.